In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Surveymonkey. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your survey looks polished and on brand without wasting time hunting through menus. First, open your browser and head to surveymonkey.com. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see a list of your existing surveys. From here, pick the survey where you want to change the background. Opening the right survey up front keeps everything tidy and saves you from making changes in the wrong place. With the survey open, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You're looking for the settings option in the sidebar. This is where Surveymonkey groups many of the visual and configuration controls, including the background settings we need. Go ahead and click Settings. The page will load a series of sections you can adjust. Now scroll down until you find the background area. It may sit among other appearance-related controls, so take a moment to move steadily. Rushing past it is easy if you're scrolling too fast. Click Background to open the background controls. Here's where the visual customization happens. You'll see an option labeled Plus Background.